With the new sugar levy now established in the UK, you may have noticed increase in attempts to sell diet drinks in place of the now much more expensive classics. So what is replacing the sugar in order to replicate the sweet sugary taste? The sweeteners listed on Coca-Cola's website and on the drinks themselves for Coca-Cola Zero Sugar are aspartame and sulfame K, so let's talk about their chemistry. Artificial sweeteners taste sweeter the better they can complement the sweetness receptors on your tongue. Currently this is thought of as a sweetness triangle, with two corners of the triangle being made up by polar covalent bonds, and the final corner by an apolar interaction. The better this triangle is matched by the artificial sweetener, the sweeter it will taste. For example, aspartame is around 200 times sweeter than what sucrose, which is what we typically think of as table sugar, tastes. Aspartame looks like this. Here, the benzene ring makes up the non-polar hydrophobic part of the molecule, the amine group makes up another corner, and the final corner is made up by the carboxylic acid group. The sweetness triangle model is supported as other non-human animals appear not to be able to taste the sweetness of the chemicals used in diet drinks, which would make sense as it is logical that a human sweetness receptor is a unique adaptation and not shared with the rest of the animal kingdom. A sulfame K is about as sweet as aspartame, but its simpler structure and stronger bonds make it more thermally stable, allowing it to be used in more foods as it can be heated without degrading. Most sugar-free drinks contain two or more sweeteners to cancel out each other's aftertastes to better mimic the taste of sugar. A can of Coca-Cola Zero has only 1 calorie compared to 139 in a can of Coca-Cola Classic. This is because the bulk of the calories in a can of Classic Coke are made up by the sugar. In Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, because the sweetness tastes so much sweeter than sugar, only a tiny amount needs to be used. Most artificial sweeteners pass straight through the human body without being digested, and those that are digested are in such low quantity that they are of negligible calorific value. This is why diet drinks typically have 0 or very few calories. Other common sweeteners include saccharin, neotame, and other naturally derived products, so the next time you pick up a diet drink and take a look at the ingredients, you'll know a little more about them.